When it comes to choosing accounting software for businesses with multi-currency needs, many people are torn between Sage 50 Cloud and OneUp. So, which one is actually better for multi-currency support? Stick around, because I'm going to break down the differences, the strengths, and where both fall short. By the end of this video, you'll know which one truly delivers on what you need. Let's start with Sage 50 Cloud. This software is built to handle more complex business requirements. It offers multi-currency capabilities, allowing businesses to manage transactions in multiple currencies. It's a solid option if you have a business with international clients or suppliers. The thing is, while it supports a wide range of currencies, setting it up can be a bit tricky, especially for smaller businesses without an in-house accounting team. The interface isn't the most user-friendly, and you might find yourself struggling with the setup if you're not familiar with accounting systems. Next thing, let's talk about OneUp. OneUp also offers multi-currency support, and the setup process is definitely easier. It's aimed at small to medium-sized businesses and provides an intuitive user experience. You can easily manage multiple currencies without being an expert in accounting. However, while it's straightforward, OneUp lacks some of the more advanced multi-currency features you'd find in a full-fledged accounting solution. You don't have the same level of depth or flexibility that Sage 50 Cloud offers, especially when it comes to handling exchange rate fluctuations and multi-currency reporting. Now, the third thing to consider is how both systems handle exchange rates. Sage 50 Cloud offers automatic exchange rate updates, which is a great feature for businesses dealing with volatile markets. You don't have to manually enter rates, which saves time and reduces the risk of errors. OneUp, on the other hand, doesn't update exchange rates automatically, so you have to enter them manually. This can be time-consuming and prone to mistakes, especially if you're dealing with frequent currency fluctuations. The fourth thing, support. Sage 50 Cloud has solid customer support, but you might find it difficult to get help quickly during off hours. It's a bit more corporate in nature, so responses might not be as personal or fast as some would hope. OneUp, on the other hand, is known for its more personal and accessible customer support, which is a huge plus for smaller businesses that need quick assistance. Finally, both software options are priced differently. Sage 50 Cloud is a bit more expensive, but it justifies that price by offering a wider range of features, especially for larger businesses or those with international operations. OneUp is cheaper and designed for smaller businesses, which is great if you're running a simpler operation but doesn't have the same range of advanced capabilities. So, Sage 50 Cloud versus OneUp, both are good, but they each have their limits when it comes to multi-currency support. If you're looking for an easy-to-use solution for small to medium businesses, OneUp is a great choice, but it's not as robust as Sage 50 Cloud when it comes to more complex multi-currency needs. But here's the thing, after trying all of these myself, I found a better alternative for businesses looking for advanced multi-currency support, one that's easier to use than Sage 50 Cloud and much more capable than OneUp. If you want to get access to the best multi-currency solution, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits available only to our viewers, and I promise, this will make handling multi-currency so much smoother.